Hi guys, welcome to my highly requested brow tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple brow with 3 products. All you're going to need is a brow powder and eyeshadow that matches your eyebrow, a concealer, which is also optional, a brow pencil, and a brow brush. Here we go. So I like to start by creating a definite line at the bottom of my brow just to create the shape and correct the shape. This is about the only time I'll use the pencil. If you have any bald spots though, you can use the pencil to fill that in as well. Now I'm going to take the powder and I'm going to fill in my brow wherever I feel like needs more definition. I always feather the front of the brow out a little bit more so it looks more natural. The last thing you want is to have a block brow and no gradients. I mean gradient, because clearly gradients is not a word. You can concentrate on the end to make it a little bit darker. And again, you want to lightly pull it outwards at the end as well. You don't want anything harsh because we want to have natural looking filled-in brows. If you find your ends are a little bit too light, you can always just go back with a pencil and give it a little bit more definition. Alright, now we're going to use the concealer, and what we're going to do is we are going to put it under the brow and kind of just frame it, clean it up. It makes it look a lot better. And also if you make mistakes, this is where you can correct them. It makes your brow look a lot cleaner. And there you go, there is your 2-minute snatched brows. Enjoy!